Have you ever trusted someone so deeply, only to have your heart shattered by their betrayal? In today's story, we dive into the heartbreaking journey of Cripcy, a young girl whose love and trust were taken for granted by someone she thought was her forever. Welcome to English Tone, your space for learning English through heartfelt and inspiring stories. Here, we make English fun, simple, and easy to understand. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more engaging stories and lessons. Let's uncover her emotional story and the powerful lessons she learned. My name is Cripcy, and I'm 21 years old. I live in a small but vibrant town filled with students chasing their dreams. I'm studying English literature at the local university. I've always been someone who believes in love, pure, honest, and full of trust. My family has always taught me to value relationships and respect emotions. Little did I know that one day, my belief in love would be tested in the most painful way. Burgess was my classmate, a charming and confident boy with an easy smile and a way of making everyone feel special. We first met during a group project. He was quick to joke, quick to help, and seemed genuinely kind. Slowly, our conversations grew longer, and soon we started spending more time together. One day, Burgess confessed that he had feelings for me. I felt butterflies in my stomach. I thought I had found someone who truly cared for me. He seemed perfect, and I started falling deeply in love with him. Our relationship grew stronger every day, and I felt like I was living in a dream. It seemed like the happiest time of my life. Burgess would take me out to beautiful places, and we would spend hours talking and laughing. He often told me how special I was to him, and his sweet compliments made me feel like the luckiest person in the world. I trusted Burgess completely. He was always kind and caring, so I believed he truly loved me. Over time, he started asking me to share more of myself with him. He said it was because our love was so strong, and we should not hide anything from each other. I believed him because, in my heart, I thought love was all about trust and giving without any doubt. I didn't realize that sometimes trusting too much can lead to heartbreak. But then, things started changing. Burgess began spending less time with me. His messages became shorter, his calls less frequent. He made excuses for not meeting me and often seemed distracted. When I confronted him, he'd reassure me with sweet words, but his actions spoke otherwise. One day, I saw him laughing and talking closely with another girl from our class, Sarah. My heart sank, but I told myself not to overthink it. Maybe they were just friends. But deep down, doubt began to grow. As days passed, Burgess became colder and more distant. I finally gathered the courage to ask him directly. At first, he denied it, but later he admitted that he liked Sarah and wanted to be with her. I felt shattered. All those promises, all those moments we shared, were they lies? Burgess revealed the cruel truth. He said he had only gotten close to me because he thought I was easy and that our relationship was nothing more than a phase for him. I felt like my world had collapsed. I couldn't eat, couldn't sleep, and couldn't concentrate on my studies. I had given my heart to someone who didn't value it. The betrayal cut deep, and I started questioning my worth. But slowly, I began to reflect. I realized that Burgess's actions said more about him than me. It wasn't my fault that he was selfish and dishonest. I had loved truly, and that was something to be proud of. I decided to focus on myself. I surrounded myself with supportive friends and family who reminded me of my value. I started channeling my emotions into writing poetry and essays, pouring my pain into words. Over time, I grew stronger. I learned to guard my heart and not trust blindly. Most importantly, I learned that true love is about respect, honesty, and mutual care, something Burgess was never capable of offering. Lessons from the story. 1. Trust must be earned. Trust means believing in someone completely. It is the most important part of any friendship or relationship. But trust isn't something we should give away quickly. People must show, through their actions, that they are honest and care about us. For example, a true friend will always keep your secrets and never lie to you. If someone breaks your trust, they need to earn it back by being good and honest over time. 2. Self-worth is crucial. Self-worth means knowing how important and special you are. Never let anyone make you feel like you don't matter or that you're not good enough. If someone doesn't treat you with kindness and respect, they don't deserve to be in your life. Always remember that you are unique and your feelings are important. You should surround yourself with people who make you feel happy and loved. 3. True love is selfless. True love isn't about taking things from someone or making them feel bad. It's about making each other happy and helping each other grow. A person who truly loves you will always want the best for you. They will support you, respect you, and care about your feelings. Real love is about sharing happiness, not hurting or using someone. 4. Healing takes time. Sometimes people hurt us and it feels very bad. This kind of pain doesn't go away quickly. But with time, we can start to feel better. It's okay to feel sad for a while, but we must take care of ourselves. Talking to kind friends and family, doing things we love, and being patient can help us heal. Remember, even if it feels hard now, things will get better with time. These lessons remind us to choose our friends and relationships wisely and always value ourselves. That's my story, and it's a painful but important chapter of my life. If you've ever felt betrayed, remember, you're not alone and you can heal. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let us know if you've faced something similar or have advice for others. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Tone for more heartfelt and inspiring stories. Stay tuned for the next video. It's one you won't want to miss.